welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do some simple maintenance. We're going to change the cabin air filter in this truck. This is something I've never done before. I don't know how often it's going to be done. I googled it and this is what they said. So you can judge for yourself whether it's important or not. Like I say, I've never done it before, but I'm going to do it in this here 2018 Chevy Colorado. I think it's pretty straightforward, so but we got to go inside the truck. Okay, so here's the cabin air filter. It's CF11966. This is supposed to be the right one for this truck. I think a lot of the GM vehicles use the same one, but before buying, you definitely want to check. And it goes just under the dash here. Don't mind the truck, it's pretty dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. Okay, just start by opening your glove box, and you'll see this here. I don't know what you'd call it. It's like a little springy action to it. You look inside here, see the hole's bigger. What you got to do is bring that down to release it. So we'll just press in and pull down. Okay, and it comes right out. I don't know if you can see that. You can see where it come out, and then you just let it go. It'll just go up in there. And there's a tab here and a tab here. So what you want to do is just press in. See how that there's cleared. And you can do the same thing the other side. Now mine is pretty tight. So what you might want to do is get yourself a screwdriver. I got a little pry bar. And just don't pry any harder than you have to, just enough to get it out. There, it cleared. I should. This other side might have went back in. There we go. There. And your glove box will come down. Guess I should have emptied it maybe. It's going to empty itself. But anyway, here's where your cabin air filter is. It's right here. They're just two little tabs. They're just two little tabs on the side. Just press in, and that'll come right out. Okay, and then you just want to keep an eye on where the shows airflow going down. Okay, and there's the GM part number. And see the airflow showing that, going down. So before you pull it out, grab your new filter. Okay. And this here also has the airflow going down. So you'd want to put this back in this way. So we'll take this out. Get your fingers in there. Might be easier said than done. Okay. Just pull it out, see how dirty it is. Well, this really isn't that bad, I don't think. After 5 years, it's definitely catching some stuff. But now, if you suffer from allergies, you might want to do this fairly often. But I'll probably go another 5 years before I do it again. Anyway, we'll put the new one in. Again, just make sure the arrow's pointing down like it was when it came out. just goes right back in. I don't know if there's a certain way it goes in or not. There. There, now it's in there nice and firm. Just make sure it's in firm, because it didn't really want to go the first time for me, but it's on there nice and firm now. You put your glove box back up, you got to pull this out. Bring the glove box up, and it just snaps back in like that. And you should be able to just press that right up there. Pretty simple job. Like I say, I don't know how important it is, but ain't got a whole lot to make videos about this winter. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.